Hello, my name is Liz Nivas. Thank you for joining me. The purpose of this tutorial is to learn how to use existing subtitles from a DVD as a guide to create additional subtitles for other languages. In this example, we have a DVD track with Korean audio and Japanese subtitles. I am going to create a second subtitle track in English by using the timing from the existing Japanese subtitles. Agisub does not support VobSub format, which is the format DVD image subtitles are exported as, so we need to extract the subtitle track from the video, convert it from VobSub to a text-based subtitle format like SRT, and from there we can create our English subtitles.
일단 너무 좋아요. 왜냐? 춤이 덜 빡셉니다. 일단 너무 좋아요. 왜냐? 춤이 덜 빡셉니다.